Hi friends, my name is Sandhya Dimbar. Today's date is 30 July 2022. Today's video topic is IOC container. So first we are discuss about what is IOC container. The IOC container is responsible to instantiate, configure, and assembler the objects. The IOC container get information from the XML file and works accordingly. The Spring container is the core of the Spring framework. The container will create the object, write them together, configure them, and manage their complete life cycle from creation till destructions. The Spring container use DI. DI means dependency injection to manage the components that make up an application. The object are called Spring Bean. The container get instruction on that object to instantiate, configure, and assembler by reading the configuration metadata provided. The configuration metadata can be represented either the XML, Java annotations, and Java code. The Spring IOC container make use Java Pojo classes and configure metadata to provide a fully configure in executable system or applications. The main task performed by IOC container are: first is a instantiate the application classes. Second is a to configure the object. Third is the assembler the dependency between the objects. Uh, there are two types of IOC container. They are: first is a bin factory and second is a application container. So first we are discuss about what is a Spring Bean factory container. First, this is the simplest container. Provide the basic supports for DI uh, and defined by the ORG Spring framework. Bin factory Bin factory interface. Bin factory and related interface such as bin factory awaits, initializing bin, disposable bin are the still present the spring for the purpose to backward compa- compatibility with the large number of third party framework that integrated with Spring. There are the number of implementation of bin factory interface. There are come straight out of box, out of box with Spring. The most commonly used bin factory implementation is the XML bin factory classes. This container reads the configuration metadata from the XML file and uses the creates and fully configure system or applications. The bin factory is usually performed when the resource and they are been limited like mobile device and applets based application. Thus, use the application contents unless you to good reason or not doing so. Then second type is a Spring application contest container. The application contains the Spring Advanced container similar to bin factory. It is the loaded bin. Bin means objects. Write the bins uh, together the dispense bins upon the request. Additionally, it adds more enterprises specific functionality such as ability to result textual message from the properties file and ability to publish application events, interested event listeners, and container the application by ORG Spring Framework contains application content interface. The application contents include the functionality to the bin factory is generally recommended over the bin factory. Bin factory can still use a lightweighted application like mobile devices and applet based application. It's all about the IOC container. Thank you.